Guys, we just got a brand new car. Oh, it's not brand new, but we bought it, or we traded it for the TLR Typhon, and we got this joint, man. Check this thing out. I've always wanted a UDR and finally got one. Alright, let's go rip this joint really quick. I wanna this thing is so sick. Oh! I almost flipped over. Alright, let's go check out some. Let's go check out some jumps. Oh, first rollover. Oh, that's so cool. Oh. That was bad. This thing rips. I want to try to get it with. Oh. Guys, this field is so perfect. Uh-oh, broke it. That was a bad hit. Uh-oh. What did I break? Oh, drive shaft popped out. Oh, snap. Snapped it right there, clean off. The lower arm is good, but I don't know what part that is. What the heck? Oh, it was a double sheared and it broke off. Damn, that was a hard hit. He's on the concrete. There's like a little sleeve here. It's not totally flush, but there's like, you could definitely caught your leg in there. So landed right on it already, but I did go a little bit hard on it. This truck is not ready to go that hard, but overall, absolutely love this truck. It handles so good, and I think this is one of my all-time favorite RCs now. Like, just to rip around, see the realistic suspension. Definitely, guys, if you don't have one of these, you gotta get one, dude. Just wanted to bring out, this is not really a practical RC. This is more to have fun with, to see the realistic suspension and everything. But for sure, if I had like an Arrma Creighton or something better, it would have still lasted. But this is overall, still love this truck, even though it did crash pretty hard. But there's always the next time. But in the next video, we are going to be buying this, and then we should have this back out. So hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.